how to see Roblox purchase history on mobile. So first, what you want to do is just open up your browser, then go to the Roblox website. And if this pops up, just simply click on continue in browser at the bottom right here. So tap on that, and once you're here, just click on the Roblox icon on the top right of your screen, just beside the settings icon, and click on my transactions. And wait for it to load up, and as you can see, you will see your transactions. You could also see your balance here at the top, and you can see your incoming Robux, the total, and of course the outgoing Robux and your purchases. So if you just want to set it to your purchases, just simply click on the type of transaction option right here at the top, then click on purchases. Now you will see all of your purchase history. You could also select how many items you can view per page. So let's say you want to see 100 items. Now you could see it right there. You could also click on the sale type. You could reveal all items or the paid and limited items if you want. And you could just wait for it to load. And as you can see, these are all the items that I have, or all the items that you have. So you could check it right here. And that's how you basically see or view your Roblox purchase history.